What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. For those of you that's new to the page, go ahead and hit the like button right now. Go ahead, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. For those of you that's been rolling for a while, just go ahead and hit the like button. Continue, please, people. It keeps me out here, okay? I just wanted to stop in real briefly just to tell you, just to kind of recap what happened today. Yesterday was a horrible day. It was one of the worst days. This was actually one of the worst weeks in the stock market. I will just tell you today, it started out that way. It was started out okay. Then it just dipped. It tanked. All right. And so we got all these different things going on, high interest, yields, bond yields, rates going back up again, all this stuff, all this crazy stuff. And so I just did like I suggest to you guys. I just walked away. I just went and got some sun, went and got some lunch, kind of aired my head out, come back, and I'm positive 12. I had lost thousands of dollars, and then I'm positive $12,000. Well, not positive, but I regained $12,000 back. I was still negative for the day, but that was like, whew. When you get like this, you just welcome for a flat day. You just welcome a flat day. A flat day is a good day when you're taking a bloodbath like we've been taking. And so I'm just going to leave you with a few things. Listen, it's not over. I'm sorry. I just want to hit you with the truth. This correction is not over. Some people see it as a sign that it came back, that's a sign that it's over. I don't believe so. I believe we got another week of this. And I'm just being honest with you guys. I don't want you spending big blobs of money, big chunks of money. Dollar cost averaging on anything that you're doing. I have a portfolio that I'm sharing with you guys. I'm just not going to do it today. I'll share it with you Monday of the stock that I've been dollar cost averaging in. I did buy all of the stock again, like I said, $50 in each one of them. But I actually added NMDM today. I added Nano Dimensions today because, and not only that, I did buy a stock today, good people. I bought Nano Dimensions because I have some shares. I have 500 shares, and I doubled down to bring my dollar cost average down in my other portfolio. It's not part of what I'm sharing with you guys, which is the dollar cost averaging. So I'm keeping the same stock that I had, but now I'm adding Nano Dimensions to it. I think it's in a buy range, but I'm not suggesting that you guys buy it. I'm suggesting that you guys wait. Don't just go and just throw a bunch of cash at it. I want you to be careful because I believe we got at least another week of this, just uncertainty. And so no one has a crystal ball. Again, I'm not your financial advisor. I am just Larry telling you what I'm doing, but I don't want you guys to lose a lot of money. Remember, in December of last year, January of this year, February of this year, I kept saying cash up, cash up, cash up. I was telling you guys I'm 30% cash right now. And I know some people say, well, why? Well, I kept saying that there's a correction coming. There's a correction coming. Keep 30% cash. Yes, I was letting you know about new stock, but I wanted you to be cashed up. Now, diversify and just know this. Tech is the most vulnerable right now. These are the things you need to know. Tech is the most vulnerable right now. Tech, SPACs, and EVs have been taking it. I mean, I bought another share of Tesla today because it was just so low. Right now, I'm not suggesting that these are buys right now. I'm just telling you what I did. I bought another share of Tesla today. So I bought some NMDM, some Nano Dimension, and I bought some Tesla because I like where they are. And they could go down even further tomorrow. But I did buy it. I just wanted to let you guys know what I bought. Okay, that's what Larry bought. But I'm telling you guys, I said it on the video before this, if you got $1,000 and that's all you have, or you got $10,000, excuse me, or you got $50,000, I just wouldn't go all out right now. I would dollar cost average in over a period of time. And I literally said, if you got $10,000, spend $1,000 a day, dollar cost average in. I know a lot of people are not telling you that right now. They're just saying buy, or some of them just disappeared through the hard times. I'm never going to do that. I'm going to be transparent. I'm going to be here with you guys because I believe we are close to the bottom. If we're not there already, I believe we're close. And but I just think that we got another week of just uncertainty. So enter at your own risk. Okay. Having said that, this is the time to clean house, to not just load up the boat. I don't even think it's really time to load the boat, though there's a lot of stock that is saying they're in a buy range. I think it's time to balance the boat. You need to look at what stock I don't have in my portfolio. So if you only have EVs in your portfolio, your boat is uneven. It's going to tip over, right? I say diversify, diversify, diversify. You just can't have that. If you just got SPACs, I mean, I saw SPACs today, special purpose acquisition companies. I saw them at their absolute, I saw them at $10. I saw FIII at $10 today. It went down to $9.90 today. And then I saw two other SPACs that was literally at $10. VGAC, $10. I mean, this market is crazy. And those are like, in two of those are guarantees. You guaranteed not to go lower than that. And so enter at your own risk, but it's things we've never seen before going on right now. But I believe we're at the end. I believe we're close to the end of this. But I do believe we have another week. Remember, I said about mid-March, no one has a crystal ball. I don't think it's over. I think we're near the bottom. I don't think it's fully over. So that's why I'm cautioning you guys. Don't listen to, I always say these kids, but it's some grown men out there too. Every single day they're yelling, bye, 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 bye. They sound like the Backstreet Boys. Bye, 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 bye. I can see them doing the dance. And, and they just want to talk to you. They just want to be out there and be heard and not tell you guys the truth. So I just want to tell you guys the truth and limit your risk. Okay, good people? So I do want you to look at, is my portfolio balanced? I want you to look at what type of stock am I in? I want you to look at, do I have the right platform? And should I only be in one platform? The answer to that is no. I will tell you no. You need to be in more. You need 2 or 3 platforms. And you're going to find out that these different platforms help you to do different things. There's things that Fidelity helped me to do as far as decisions on what to invest in by some of the tools that they have. There are certain things that Webull helped me with. And then especially for those of you, I'm pushing Webull because number one, I like the fact that you could trade before the market opens, and you could trade hours, and you could trade hours after the market closed. And then the fact that you guys that don't have it can just deposit $100 and get 2 free stocks and one up to $1,850. I know someone who got $1,200. So they deposited $100 and they got $1,200 worth of stock. You can't beat that with a baseball bat. And I am an affiliate, so I do get a free stock. Okay, I wish it was as high as you guys is, but it's nothing close to that. But I'm thankful, nevertheless, Mr. Webull. Okay, so I just wanted to stop and let you guys know that. So I'm glad that we had some sort of recovery. If you guys were up in the morning and then tanked down and then you came back up, let me know. I want to read what you guys are experienced today. It's like a roller coaster. Okay, but more importantly, if you're going to hang in there and if you're going to hold on just longer, I just tell you, we're right there. Leave me a comment there. And remember, I'm going to say this in closing. Always consider the source. When you have these guys saying, sell everything, run for your life, you'll never make it, consider the source. All right? Click on their things and see if they got 1 subscriber, see if they're 14 or see if they're 58 still living in their mom's basement, never moved out. Always consider the source, good people. And that's what I want to tell you. There's a lot of us that's been out here. You know, I always talk about Stock Mode Smart Guy. There's some other guys that are really smart guys. Chris Sane, those guys. I always talk about those guys. They've been doing it for a while. So you're going to get good, solid information, okay? No one out there is going to hit a home run every single time, all right? But I will tell you this. There's 2 links below, but I will tell you this. One is the Weeble. For those of you who don't have it, I suggest you get in and get it. But I also have a link down there below for Coinbase. I will tell you this. My crypto has been my savior for the last 2 weeks. And it's just, and it took a hit today too. And it's taking hits this week also. But there's a lot of days when the market was down and crypto was up. And it's been my savior. So as far as my emotions when I look at my stock portfolio, but I don't mean my Lord and Savior. Y'all know what I'm saying, all right? So, but it has saved me a lot of grief, and I suggest for those of you that are not interested in it, or you really haven't considered it, I would say start to consider it, because it's actually a hedge against the strength of the dollar. So if the dollar is getting weaker, it shows signs of getting stronger. So you know what? I did a Zoom last night, and I'm gonna upload that video tonight. Okay, good people, about Bitcoin. For those of you that don't know anything about it, it's just an introductory to it. And I also have a link below if you want to get Bitcoin. Okay, it's called Coinbase. Same thing. Deposit $100. And they show you videos for beginners, and at the end of those videos, tongue twisted today, it gives you some free Bitcoin. All right, I used to call it big gold all the time because it kind of acts like gold, so I call it big gold. All right, good people, I love you. I will see you. I'm gonna check back tonight for that one, for the Zoom meeting I had. And I'm going to talk to you probably either Saturday or Sunday. Most likely Sunday. We'll be getting ready for this upcoming week. Okay. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.